will develop a better logical and computational thinking and will be a way better in analytical thinking and in teamwork. Coding is essential set of instructions that a robot can read and execute. Robotics combines the use of electronics, mechanics, and coding software to program robots to do particular jobs. Robots can easily perform those tasks that humans are not able to perform. Through play, educational robots help children develop one of the basic logical skills of mathematical thinking at an early age, computational thinking. That is, they help develop the mental process we use to solve problems of various kinds through an orderly sequence of actions. Today we have with us Professor Dr. Vijay Borges. He is the Project Director, Project Management Unit at the Directorate of Technical Education. He is also Head of Computer Engineering Department. Previously was OSD at the Information Technology Department and Joint Managing Director at Infotech Corporation of Goa. He has been assisted by Mr. Saish Gandhi. I request Mr. Vaman Gurjekar to hand over the bouquet to Sir Dr. Vijay Borges. Also Mr. Saish Gandhi.
Thank you.
Then we have Mr. Anay Amar assisting Mr. Borges. Mr. Anay Amar. Mr. Devendra Kudelkar and Mr. Venkatesh Prabhu. Now I hand over the mic to the team and Mr. Professor Dr. Vijay Borges, who will give you an insight and detailed knowledge about the project. Thank you.
साश्टी गांवांतले येतात. साश्टी खबर आसा न्ही? साश्टी म्हणटा ते 60 गांवांचो असो एक वाठार आसा. साश्टी सण हांव बार्देजांत रावतां. बार्देस म्हणटा ताका 12 देसांचो असलो वाठार. आनी म्हाका दिसता हांगाच मातशें कमी आसा 12 मनीस अशें. पूण जावं म्हणटा हांव समजता हे 12 हे वाठारांतले 12 मनीस अशे हांगा आसा. आनी हो शुभ असो म्हणून तुमकां नमस्कार करून सुरवात करता. बरें आसा. सरान आमकां आमचें इंट्रोडक्शन केलें. आनी म्हाका दिसली की पयली आमची एक संदी आमकां तुमी सगळ्यांनी दिली. आमी सदांच चिंतताले, आमी म्हणटात भुरग्यांक आमी कसलो कार्यक्रम करता जाल्यार भुरग्यांक आमी करतात. बट दॅट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट. भुरग्यां सांगातात ताचे सांगाताक जे आसा ताचे बरे मागपी आसा. पयली म्हणटात ती भुरग्यांची माय बाय, दुसरी म्हणटात ती टिचरी, आनी तिसरी म्हणटात ती इश्कॉल हो सरकार जें घडोवन हाडटा. आनी सगळ्यांकून चड ह्या भुरग्यांचेर विश्वास जो आसता ओ द हायेस्ट कायंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट जो करता म्हणटा तो माय बाय. आनी माय बाय जर तर आमी सांगाता घेवन चल्ले जाल्यार खंयची जर तर स्कीम सरकारची आसा, जर तर आमी ताका सांगले हें जें बरें काम आसा तुमच्या भुरग्यांक, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हो पाठिंबो दिवपाक माय बाय केन्ना फाटीं सरची ना. दिसता म्हाका म्हणजे हे जे उलोवणें सत्य आसा हां बरें आसा. पूण एक मातशें काम करूया. तुमी सगळ्यांनी बरें एक सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मेंटेन केलां. म्हाका कितें जाता तुमी जे मास्क घालता न्ही तुमचो मुखावळाचो हांसो म्हाका दिसली पडला. मातशें मास्क जाता जाल्यार आय वॉन्ट फोर्सी यू इफ यू कॅन जस्ट शो मी अ स्मायलिंग फेसीस वूड बी अ गुड थिंग. ओके, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट. Now, this is where I directly would like to start, because we have got less amount of time, but not to take. There was this nice saying by the CEO of WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is okay, and the person is Mark Zuckerberg. And Mark Zuckerberg ashe manta, my advice to my friends who have got children who go to school is this. My advice to my friends who got children who go to school is this. And what is his advice? He says, make them to learn to program. Make them to learn to program. जरी तर हो मार्क झुकरबर्ग अशें सांगता जाल्यार आमकां आमच्या भुरग्यांक हे काळार प्रोग्रामिंग कशें भाशेन आनी कित्याक लागून शिकोवपाक जाय. जर तर आमकां तें आयकलां पूण आमी जाणून घेवंक जाय आमकां भुरग्यांक कित्याक बऱ्याक पडटलें आनी हेंच म्हाका दिसता आयच्या दिसाचो होच हेतू. This is the objective of what we are going to be doing. Sir, can you go to the next slide, please? Now, this is one slide I want you all to concentrate. You as parents, I want you all to concentrate. शिकपी or लेखी अशें लेख बरयतात आनी in education अशें लेख बरयतात ताचे तीन खूब आसा ताचे एडवांटेजीस म्हणटा पूण तीन एडवांटेजीस that somebody, a child, if he wants to take coding at school level, जाल्यार ताका फायदो कसलो आसतलो. First, the child would excel at problem solving. आमी problem solving हो कित्याक आमकां हो कित्याक म्हत्वाचो. प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्विंग हो कित्याक करपाचो. जरी तर आमी खंयच्या वाठारांत गेले जाल्यार प्रॉब्लम आसताच. सकाळींचे फुडले प्रॉब्लेम आसता, दनपारचे प्रॉब्लेम आसता, रांदपाचे प्रॉब्लेम आसता, आनी भुरग्यांक शिकोवपाचे प्रॉब्लेम मनशाक आसपाची गरज आसता. पूण जरी तर आमी तांकां भुरग्यांक जे प्रश्न येतात प्रश्नाचे कशे भाशेन सुटावो घेवपाक जाय हे जर तर आमी तांकां शिकयले जाल्यार तांचो फुडाराक जे प्रश्न ताच्या मुखार येतले वेगवेगळे दुसरे कितें म्हणटा ते विथ लॉट ऑफ इंटेन्सिटी जे प्रश्न येतले तांचो सुटावो कसो करूंक जाय हें तांकां इकबोत येतली, ही तांकां जाणपा येतली आनी हेच हो हेतू अशें हे लेखी बरयतात. दुसरो हे लेख बरयतात ते कितें सांगतात that if a child undergoes coding education or programming education at school levels, then they will perform better in other subjects. म्हणजे कितें आमी पयलीं पळयलें जाल्यार आमच्या शाळेंत कितें शिकयता आमी गणित शिकयता, भूगोल शिकयता, इतिहास शिकयता आनी वेगवेगळे सब्जेक्ट शिकयता. करेक्ट न्ही? पूण सगळे सब्जेक्टांत जर आमी पळयलें जाल्यार एक आसता सगळ्यांक एक लॉजिकल आयडिया आसता. हे जातकच स्टँड हे जालें आमी इतिहास घेवन घेतलो जाल्यार जरी हाणें अशें केल्लें म्हूण तो अशें करूंक पावलो ताकाच लागून अशें जालें हें आमी चिंतता. वॉट इज दिस? इट इज लॉजिक. एंड वॉट इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल लॉजिक्स? इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम फिलॉसॉफी. द बेसिक सब्जेक्ट ऑफ ऑल आवर स्टडीज इज फिलॉसॉफी. खंयचोय मॅथमॅटिक्स घे, गणित घे, खंयचो सब्जेक्ट घे तूं, द इम्पॉर्टंट थ्रेड विच इज लायिंग देर इज लॉजिक. And what is emphasized through this particular entire subject is, can I enhance, can I supplement the logical thinking in this particular child is the focus. आणि ताकच हेच कितें घेवन मुखार घेवन नॅशनल एड्युकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 होच हेतू आसा. जर तर आमी वाचलो जाल्यार ती एक असो एक लायन आसा आनी ती अशी म्हणटा mathematical and computational thinking is to be given increased importance especially in middle schools. आणि हाकाच लागून आमच्या सरकाराचो होच एक हेतू जालो की आमी ताबडतोब ह्या वर्साक हो कम्प्युटेशनल थिंकिंग हाचो आमी विस्तार करूंक जाय आमच्या आख्ख्या गोंयच्या प्रदेशांत. आमच्या सगळ्या स्कॉलांनी आमी हो हाडूंक जाय असो तांची चिंतना जाली आनी हेच साकार करूंक आमच्या गोंयच्या सरकारान बजेट अनाउन्समेंट ऑफ 2021 होच तांणी एक मुख्य असो अनाउन्समेंट केलो. जाल्यार हांगा तो पॅरेग्राफ जो पयलो आसा न्ही हांगा इन दीस पर्टिक्युलर प्रेजेंटेशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर यू पेरेंट्स. जर आमी म्हणटात coding, programming, robots, electronics, sir, robots, electronics. That is not important. That is not important. The child will learn. Today it's robots, tomorrow God knows what it is going to be. We do not know. Today it may be some electronic, tomorrow it may be something else. We do not know. The things will change. What is important is the word called as computational thinking. And hence computational thinking is of importance. It has come in our scheme, it has come in the NEP. NEP, it talks about it. And in computational thinking is the basic spirit behind this particular scheme of coding and robotics, okay, which is going to be launched in all the schools which are run by the as well as aided as well as government schools. in the entire state of Goa. Computational thinking करते कितें? See, it is one of the important skill set, but करते कितें? It allows a child to understand the problem. It's very important. See, they say that even before you solve a problem, जर तुका गमत आयली, हे problem, हो प्रश्न कसलो तो, जाल्यार तुजे 50% ताचे solution तुका समजता. 50% ओके ताजो सोल्युशन तुका ऑलरेडी ऑटोमॅटिकली येता जरी तुका कळलें प्रश्न कितें तो जर तुका प्रश्न कितें खबर ना जाल्यार तूं सांडलो. That's why computational thinking is not about the tool which is used, it is about understanding the problem, finding a solution to this particular problem. And the last part here is very important, is that you can make a solution as a proof of concept by using any kind of a mechanism. And one of the mechanism, one of the tools or one of the vehicles to achieve this is your computer system, is your maybe your PC or maybe your computer. That is one of the last things to prove. But important is the first two aspects for computational thinking. आणि हाकाच लागून आमच्या गोंय सरकारान हेच ओके जेन्ना बजेट अनाउन्समेंट जालो ताणें हेच विजन घेवन ओके हो दृष्टिकोन घेवन मुखार वचपाचो ताणें एक थाराव घेतलो. आता जर तर आमी म्हणून गेले हो स्कीम म्हज्या भुरग्याक करतलो कितें हाजो फायदो ही स्किमीचो फायदो हांव एक म्हजो भुरगो आसा इश्कोलाक वता जाल्यार ताका कसो फायदो पडटलो आनी ताका फायदो पडटा जाल्यार हांवें करूंक कितें जाय एज अ पेरंट एक मायंड पावस हांवें करूंक कितें जाय म्हजो कितें वॉट वील बी माय कंट्रिब्युशन टू दिस पर्टिक्युलर स्कीम इज वॉट आय वॉन्ट टू ले एम्फसिस हियर. As I told you, what is going to happen to your child to this particular scheme? First and foremost, your child will be skill upgraded in what is the focus of NEP 2020. That means in computational thinking, those skill set भुरग्याक गरजेचो आसा. Maybe 20 years down the line, 30 years down the line, जेन्ना इंडस्ट्रीक तो भुरगो वतलो जाल्यार थंय ताका जे चॅलेंजीस आसतले ताचो फुडाकार करून कितें करूंक जाय what are the skill sets he requires will be taught through this particular implementation which is coming in the schools first and foremost. आता तुम्ही जायते पाटी तुम्ही पेपर वाचता न्यूजपेपर वाचता न्यूजपेपर तुमकां कितें मेळटा एक सदांच अशी एक वाक्य येता ग्रॅज्युएट बट अनएम्प्लॉयड 95% 90% भुरगे जे पास आउट जाता तांकां एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळना सारकें वाचलां जातलें अशें ओके 95% शिकले पूण ताका इंजिनियर आसा पूण ताका CBC लागना कित्याक काय होच आमचो प्रश्न जालो आनी हे करूंक हे प्रश्नाचो सुटावो करूंक खंय वचपाक जाय. That means there is some kind of a skill lack which is happening into this particular child who is finishing his graduation, means maybe his masters or maybe his bachelors. When he's coming out, he's not employed because the industry says, "Amka hai jai," and tumi hanga asa. This skill gap, this difference is what has to be bridged. And how well to bridge if at all we go to the schools and try to enforce in this particular child this skill gap? Can we bridge, can we reduce this particular gap and supplement the child so that maybe 10 years when he is going to be passing out, this is not a crime, this will not be a negative for this particular child, but will be a positive thing where the industry will say this person who is coming, passing out from our colleges is an employable entity, is another vision which we want to have through this particular scheme. The third thing, see many times what is happening many times in this digital environment, I mean digital, 10 वर्सां पयलीं 15 फाटी आमी सगळ्यांक मोबायल फोन नाशिल्लो कित्याक डेटा प्लॅन लायक म्हाका एक कॉल 8 रुपया पडटाले. I know the first time my uncle used to have my phone. ओके तो एकदम मोठो फोन आशिल्लो पण एक फोन केलो 8 रुपया पडटाले. बाय बाय लँडलायन आसले खूब खुशी आशिल्ले. लँडलायन नासतना खूब खुशी आशिल्ले. ताजे चड खुशी आशिल्ले. पूण आतां कितें 12 येता फोन येता कोण WhatsApp मेसेज फाल्यां सकाळीं 6 येवपाक जाय कोण 7 येवपाक जाय. Some of you are working must be getting those particular messages. Correct, madams? Correct, no? Okay. So this is where our life has been introduced, but that is the reality of life. That is going to be the reality going forward. So our child is already entering into this particular digital world. So what he requires to do? You have heard about something called as cyber fraud, cyber bullying. You have heard about this? The cheating which is happening on the internet, hacking which is happening, all these things. See, for us it's like, आमकां दिसता like, अरे ते ताका जालेलें आमकां जालेलें करून सायबाचो पाव मागता. You have seen like serial, I don't know what is that. There's a nice serial which comes on some channel like this, no? Or maybe one of those which is basically talking about the cyber frauds and all which are conducted. But this is something which is a fact. Can my child protect himself as much as possible? Can we educate our child to protect himself as much as possible? How to behave? What is the correct behavior in this particular digital world is another objective of this particular scheme. की आमी आमच्या भुरग्यांक बरे भाशेन ताका तत्व दिवपाचें कशे भाशेन हें जर हो संवसार आसा डिजिटल संवसार आसा आमी मुखार वतात ओके कशे भाशेन should be my approach is what is going to be coming out through this particular scheme. आनी एक म्हणल्यार तुमच्या स्कॉलांनी this scheme will supplement your laboratories. जायते फावटी म्हाका खूब लोक सांगता okay maybe I should go okay a little bit off, you can cut this okay when you're editing this video, but this is what I want to say. Many of them are saying like in schools we are doing computers but not on the computer but on paper. We are learning computers not on the computer but on the paper. If आमी question paper येता okay draw how to open a file, so they draw करता how to open a file. तुम्ही सगळे हसतात but you know that is a reality, correct? Okay. Now the question is basically that the hardware there has become outdated. So the scheme is having in its prerogative one of the idea is आमी जे तुमचे स्कॉलाचे हार्डवेअर जे आसा ते आमी अपग्रेड करतले. In this particular scheme तुमचे स्कॉलांनी सगळे there are around 450 schools which are there throughout government as well as government aided schools. All those particular laboratories will be upgraded with new ICT hardware which will be coming. And definitely, that through this, what we want to do is our children, maybe 10 years down the line, we want to increase the employment footfall, okay, which are coming of the graduates or maybe of master students which are coming from our colleges, so that the industry can have the best kind of talent coming right from Goa. Just to tell about the scheme, तुमच्याकडे जायते प्रश्न असतले like ही scheme केन्ना launch जाली तुका already सांगले it was in March in the budget announcement which was there. So announcement झालो. Then what happened is immediately we have got an empowered committee under the scheme headed by our honorable chief minister who is also the education minister, and we have got the NEP chairman who is the vice chairman of this particular scheme as well as secretary education. These three people are giving us the directions of how this particular scheme is to be formed. Now what they did is immediately under director of technical education तांणी एक project management unit हाजी स्थापना केली. And the project management unit is right now operating under Director of Technical Education. And आम्ही जे आसा, okay, we have got Devendra sir, we have got Sai sir and myself, and we have got industry expert who are there right from your MOPSA. Okay, thanks to them, they have been associated with us. So they help us out. But we have been formed as something called the project management unit in the Directorate of Technical Education. दुसरी म्हणतात ते ही जी स्कीम आसा न्ही इट इज बीइंग ऑपरेटेड बाय 3 डिफरंट विभाग. सरकाराचे 3 विभाग आसा. खंयचे विभाग? एक म्हणटा ते डायरेक्टर ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन एज आय ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. सेकंड जो आसा इज कॉल्ड एज डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एजुकेशन अंडर व्हिच ऑल द स्कूल्स द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह कंट्रोल ऑफ द स्कूल्स कम. द थर्ड वन इज द SCRT गोवा. SCRT गोवा करता कितें इज इट इज इन्वॉल्वड इन ट्रेनिंग ऑफ द टीचर्स. इट इज इन्वॉल्वड इन अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ द करिक्युलम. जालें. Once this was formed, what is the first thing which was told to us is the PMO has taken the initiative to revamp the entire curriculum. And तेच आमी आमकां ऑर्डर जेन्ना आयली SCRT ची आमची टीम घेवन okay from the PMU we completely revamped the entire curriculum and we called it as a revised ICT curriculum. पहिलो जो old curriculum जो आसलो which was talking about Word, which was talking about Excel and all, that we completely changed and we called it as the revised ICT curriculum. And this revised ICT curriculum is there for the 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard. आता आमचो focus खंय आसा? आमचो focus as project management unit is only for the 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard. So that is our focus. आता syllabus जेन्ना जालो, okay, so for as I told you आमचो हेतू आसलो 6वेचे भुरग्यांक 7वेचे भुरग्यांक आनी 8वेचे भुरग्यांचो ओके सो दॅट वॉज आवर फोकस आता करता आसतना न्ही आमी हो सिलेबस दोन भागांनी वांटलो one of them was called as a regular curriculum okay and the other one was called as the optional curriculum regular curriculum म्हणजे कितें regular curriculum is going to be delivered by the normal teachers during the normal school times जेन्ना ते computer subject शिकयताले instead of that now they will be teaching the revised ICT curriculum okay कोण शिकयतली तुमची नॉर्मल स्कॉलाची टीचर आसा ती शिकयतली खंयचो सिलेबस शिकयतली रिवाइज्ड रेग्युलर ICT curriculum to शिकयतली आता अनेक आसा called as optional curriculum now this is where please pay attention this is very important for you as parents optional curriculum okay first and foremost what we require is that to me you have to influence your management of your schools to provide the necessary space the necessary infrastructure okay coming from what I mean by infrastructure हार्डवेयर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर येतो ICT इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर येतो बट आमकां ती इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्शन जाय टेबल्स जाय ऑर बी फॅन्स जाय इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन जाय इंटरनेट कनेक्शन जाय तें तुमी जर तर मातशें तांकां आधार केलो बरें आसा वी वील ट्राय टू प्रोवायड इट वी वील ट्राय टू फायंड इट आउट वी वील हेल्प यू आउट ऑर वी वील ट्राय टू गो टू द वॉट एवर इट इज एंड ट्राय टू सोर्स इट आउट यू ऑल with 40 it is like it's a great thing which will be helping the management because managements are struggling with this but if you become proactive the management also will give the best facilities to your children okay so this is one part दुसरं म्हणटा तो आमी तुमी ताका आनी एक करूं जाय की द ऑप्शनल करिक्युलम जो सांजचो जातलो न्ही यू हॅव टू टेल लायक व्हाय आर मॅनेजमेंट कॅनॉट टेक इट अप सरकार दिवपाक शकता आमचो मॅनेजमेंट कित्याक करना वी कॅन गिव अ स्पेस आयडेंटिफाय वन मे बी सम पांच नॉट ऑल स्कूल्स विल हॅव दॅट मच ऑफ स्पेस एंड ऑल देन विल बी वन लीड स्कूल सो यू टेल इफ यू आर इन द लीड स्कूल आमी 5 जाणांक घेवया ओके एंड वील क्रिएट मे बी अ स्पेस फॉर 30 स्टुडंट्स टू कम एवरी इवनिंग करपाक जातलें तुमच्यानी yes or no जातलें definitely so can I hear from you जातलें yes this is something like which you can do the third thing is like encourage your management to send see I know it is going to be difficult it is difficult for them for the management to send their teachers for this training or this I mean we are having something like where the coordinator master teachers and coordinator teachers their training sessions which we want to conduct encourage your management tell them teacher or headmaster don't worry okay they are going for a good cause okay let them get upgraded yes our students may miss a little bit but teacher is gone for some maybe for some 10 days or 15 days whatever she's gone but she's gone for a good cause because when she comes she'll be equipped to teach our students better okay so encourage your school management okay ताका तुम्ही आधार दियात दुसरे म्हणतात ते see there is this revised ICT curriculum and I told you rubrics based okay it's a rubrics based I am getting this particular thing that many of the teachers are still conducting the old way of question answer kind of a question and then they have to write it out see these are all sorted out circulars gelle asa जरी तर तुम्ही आमकां सांगलें this is still going on at least we can take some kind of initiative by telling SCRT to take corrective action with that particular schools I know initiative असं जाणतो people don't want to come out of their comfort zone okay that is true but somewhere or the other we have to come out okay because it is for what it is not for our good or for the teachers good it is for our child's good okay whatever is coming out so that कितें जाता okay we can tell the teacher please this is what has been told to implement the rubrics which has been told to SCRT please implement it no teacher बरें मी सांगल्यार आनी टीचर समजले जाल्यार जातलें बरें पूण अशें तशें आसा आमकां जर घडयल आमकां जर गमयलें जाल्यार वील ऑल्सो लायक हेल्प द टीचर इन टू टेकिंग करेक्टीव activities now the next important thing which we want is that we conduct something called as competitions regular competitions आणि हातूंत दोन भशेन हेतू आसा आमकां one is like by conducting competitions we want to ensure that the teacher completes certain parts of the syllabus only then the child can participate in the competition because if the child is not taught that particular skill sets, the child will not be able to participate in the competition. आता आमचे दोन competitions झाले. One was on shapes, okay, I think so. One was on Diwali, and the other one is currently going on is called as COVID with messages, okay, some kind of a thing. Okay, this is on Scratch or Pictoblocks. Those people who have got a mobile phone, they do on Pictoblocks. Those who have got a laptop, you know, they do this activity on Scratch. Either way, it is fine with us. आता you have to pass on the message to all the students that they participate. Right now we got only 24,000 entries. 24,000 is a great number. But sir was telling me like it's still not a great number, sir, because our target is 65,000. All our students have to participate. I know in some of the remote areas they don't have internet, you know, there are challenges. There are challenges. But let us tell the good word. Okay? Encourage the parents, encourage the child to participate in this particular for taking part in the competitions. And what is the good thing? You'll be recognized at the state level. You'll be getting a prize, maybe like, you know, at the state level. There are lots of prizes. You'll be featured, okay, in our newspapers. You must have heard a lot of things that are coming in newspapers. Sir, it has been coming, right? Okay, so that all those things will be coming. The next important thing for us from you is we want feedback from you. See, आम्ही न्ही जे करता न्ही आमकां एक दिशा आसा ते प्रमाणे वता. But maybe that what we are doing is requires a little change, maybe requires a little tweak, maybe in Mapsa something else is happening, maybe in Konji something is required here. Please give us feedback. It is very important. If we have to improve, will depend on your feedback which comes to us. So please be proactive in giving the feedback through your teachers or directly. I will leave my email address to you all. Tumhi amka, okay, you can write to us and we'll be more than happy to respond to your feedback. Okay. Can you do the next one, sir? Okay, now can I play some videos about what your children have done, okay, through these competitions or in this particular journey from July onwards when this particular entire curriculum was launched? Can you play the next one, sir? Do we have another one or?
Yeah, one more.
One minute. Okay. Sorry for that audio which is happening, but very important for us, like, have you seen this particular winners which have come? They've come from, like, places like Kanpon, okay, some from Shorano, some definitely from Mopsa, okay, some have come. Okay, but what I'm saying is, there is talent in this particular immense place. Okay, I mean, or these laws are like, this particular, so, going to water, it's a very, very blessed place for us. Let's help our children. Let's help this particular scheme to become very successful. Now, for that, what we require to do? We require to engage with one another. We require to empower one another. जैसे तुम्हें पहले सांवी की चली ऐसे तो निकाले दिया था. Okay, we require that this kind of service must be there in your schools. Okay, maybe in the neighboring schools. We require to give a little wing to their little air to this particular wings of theirs, like, so that they can fly much higher. Maybe it's your child. We require to encourage them because it's such a beautiful scheme. We have to own this particular scheme as parents to make it successful. Helen Keller, this is a great writer who was a blind person. Okay, she used to write this, alone we can do so little. Together we can do much. And I know when we embrace one another, that we can achieve much, much more. Okay, and with this, okay, I thank you for listening to me in this particular place. Okay, thank you, Monica.
Sir, this coding, because the hotel drawing they need for the
Nehru.
because they Akash here.
Ah.
Then how they do by?
No, it is not by no. It is completely on code. See, you'll be surprised. That's why I wanted this question to come. And thank you, sir, for coming this question. Akash Dipje Kela, it is on primary shapes. If you look at it, there is a shape of a triangle, there is a shape of a rectangle. Using these particular things, okay, and writing the code, these children have done the program. It is not by in paint. You open paint, okay, draw with the thing like, with the mouse and draw it. आपको challenge करता था. घराकडे बस आणि जो तुम्ही तो व काढला नाही पण तो निरू काढला तुम्ही काढता तयार करा. तुम्ही करा यूज इन पेंट. जाऊची ना. आमचं दिसतं ते अरे मी ते पेंटिंग असणार आहे कलर मारता. No, it is coding. And that is what is amazing all of us.
No, but this was taught to them in the school.
Yes.
How they
Yes. Okay. Sir, I think so. Like, unnecessary, you would like to maybe say something, or you want me to continue? Okay. See, this was actually taught to them. Sir, they were taught about primary shapes. That is one of the things in Scratch in their subject, something called as shapes. Okay. Then the shapes give patterns. Now, if you look at it, it is nothing difficult. It is coming from NEP. You look at this particular mobile phone. What is the shape of this mobile phone? You look at that particular thing of your chair. What is the shape, basic shape? Square asa, line asa, okay, horizontal line asa. These are called as patterns. Our life is all about patterns. Look at the fan. The fan is a pattern. What's this? The pankata jo asa ni, it's a rectangle, but it is and dusra pankata jo asa is a rectangle. What is the difference between some angle? Look at it. Everything is a shape. The motor jo asa ni to ghumto to, okay, it is also a shape, circular shape. If you look, we made the children to look at this. It is a primary thing. See, nature is about shapes. You go outside, everything is a shape. So what we told the children is, you have to know the primary things. From the primary things, everything is an addition to it. Nature has evolved. I mean, Koshi evolved. Let's ask the primary question. Koshi evolved. We have come from, we are not directly born as human beings. No. Darwin's theory is telling us that we evolved from a small being, from a small organ, this, what you call that, organ, whatever. Micro organ. Okay? From that particular cell, we have evolved to get this particular shape. It is a pattern. The basic thing is a pattern. And that is what we encourage the children. And what they did is their creativity. Even like we were surprised what they are meant to. गांधीजी आम्ही केन्ना इमेजिन करून पण करतो गो म्हणून आम्ही देखील करून गेलेली. You sir, if you had paid attention to that, चली अशी गेली. ओके ते गांधीजी केलं यू नो शी हॅज यूज्ड ती चली न्ही घराच्या भायल्या रस्त्यार बसलेली आसा ती नोटीस केलं नाही घरान ना ती इंटरव्यू जी घेता ओके इट इज आउटसाइड कित्याक बसल्या काय आउटसाइड ती घरा कडेन नेट मेळना दुसरें ती चली न्ही कित्याचेर करता मोबायलाचेर आनी देर वॉज वन नायस थिंग इट वॉज देर यू नो शी यूज 250 ब्लॉक्स शी यूज 250 ब्लॉक्स आमकां धांवच तुमी टिचराक विचारा तुमी आतां वसा न्ही टिचराक फोन मारा टिचर तुमकां कंप्युटराचेर न्ही अशें एक धाच ब्लॉक करपाक कितलो टायम लागतलो आनी नवो लॅपटॉप भितर मावस येनो ती सांगतली तुमकां आमकां कितले बरे 15 मिनटां लागतली सांगतली तुका ही चली न्ही 250 ब्लॉक्स केले आनी कशें केलें ऑन द मोबायल फोन जेन्ना आमी ओके एक कंपनीक विचारलें ओके वॉट इज द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी
पिक्टोब्लॉक
PictoBlocks.
Stempedia.
Stempedia. We asked this particular company and we told them this child has done this 250 blocks. They were surprised and they said like, you know, 250 blocks on a mobile phone, it's like, and a child of 7th standard is amazing. And we thought only one child will do. The moment this child was shown, there were 20, 30 other children which said, I tikal zamta, amkai zamta, tap, karo shayla. So that is what I'm saying. It's an amazing thing.
The question I think was, तांकां आमी गांधी शिकयलो काय म्हणून
No. We told them basic shapes. We taught them basic shapes. Nothing else. What they have done is their imagination. And that is what is going to happen to the children. We cannot restrict creativity. We cannot restrict how far they can think. And this is the power which we give. Now, the next thing which will happen in this particular thing is, there is something like, how एक chapter asa which talks about what you call the planetary rotation जे असतं. From there, we are going to teach them. That is going to draw this particular Earth and the Moon revolving. Now, from there, what we are going to teach them? We are going to teach them like what's going to come in physics. From there, the child is going to imagine. अरे rotation असं जाता, ते कित्याक लागून जाता? हे प्रश्न तो सोडवे विचारतलो, which is subject. I think so. This standard is being told. 7th standard, 8th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard. So they are taught something. They are introduced to something which is on physics, which is on maths. Angles is on maths. They may not learning also angles, but they're using angles. When the subject comes, they will say, I'm basically a computer. Now we can apply it. Now we can know the properties about it. And that's where the power of imagination will be amazing. And that is what coding can do. Sir, you are just gone outside. I'm not going to say, Gandhiji Guru, Nehru Guru, I'm going to say, from the basic patterns.
But they require internet for that.
No. Which of internet?
How they will build? On the computer they will build.
Which one? Mobile.
Internet they require.
No. Once you download that app, they can not require internet. But once you download the app, the problem right now what has happened is because of COVID and scholars so that's why they are doing all these particular things. आणि आम्ही आमचो सिलेबस एक भाशेन डिझायन केल्लो आसा जरी तर भुरगीं जरी तर कितें म्हणटात तें इश्कोलांत ताका वचना आनी दे कॅन डू द प्रॅक्टिकल्स ऑन देयर वॉटेवर डिवायसीस आर देयर दे मेड इट प्रॅक्टिकल जर तुम्ही आता सायन्साचे प्रॅक्टिकल चलता तुम्ही 6वी ते 7वीचे प्रॅक्टिकल चलता ना न्ही they are teaching them all theory but we have adapted this particular subject so that even the practicals are being delivered. We have made it adaptable that way. From the very beginning we thought about this situation is there, we have made it adaptable that way. Okay, any other questions?
In future, now see, current pattern is 6 days in a week. Children are going to the school. Before COVID, now all 6 days they are online on the at home. When after COVID, now hopefully it is going to end. Next year when the academic start, how about introducing a new pattern where children will go to school only for 4 days and 2 days will let them continue this online. Sitting at home.
There's one suggestion, sir. I'll put it
You have put it up the-
I'll put it up, sir. Good.
Because nowadays children are quite used to.
Sir, but there is an advantage. There is always an advantage of. See, this is a what do you call that? An extreme situation which we all were forced into. Nobody wanted it. If you ask me very truthfully, nobody wanted this situation. We are all wanting and praying to God. केन्ना तरी काबार जाल्यार पुरो म्हणून आनी देवा कडेन मागता सगळेच आमी सुरक्षीत उरल्यार पुरो आनी केन्ना काबार जाल्यार पुरो आमची बरी इश्कोलान गेल्यार पुरो लेट दॅट नॉर्मल लायफ कम which we had before 2019. Okay, we enjoyed that life and we want that life to come back. Maybe with restrictions we'll have it. I don't know whether your wish of 6 to 4 will happen. I do not know, but it's a wish list.
And so the new pattern of the 3, 433 that is getting introduced.
That will get introduced, sir. That will get definitely introduced. It has to get introduced. Okay, when it is going to get, how it is going to be implemented, that the education. But Ami, तुमको सांगायला आम्ही. That's why I made a point that this scheme is oriented on NEP. NEP talks about mathematical thinking, computational thinking to be introduced at middle level. आमच्या सरकारान, okay, आमच्या गोंय सरकारान हो निर्णय घेतला की NEP जाऊनच जाय. Okay, so that is a good initiative. That NEP part is already being rolled out. I think that this is the first state in the entire country talking about this one. Secondly, this is the first state in the entire country talking about a specialized scheme to talk about only about computational thinking. Entire government machinery has been put on that. You understand that particular great initiative which has happened from
You
our
want
coast.
you want the parents to go and talk to the management of the school
For what, sir?
to get it implemented faster.
No. What you require to do, sir, is like, basically that you have to see. आता तुमचे किती जातले is you just make your management, okay, ask them coding and robotics कशें चल्ल्या, कोण शिकयता, okay, कशें भाशेन इवॅल्युएशन चल्लां, भुरग्यांक कितें शिकयता, खंयचे लेसन प्लॅन शिकयता, कशें विचार, इतलेंच विचार, आनी कांयच करना, इतलेंच विचार. सगळे स्कुलांनी स्टार्ट केल्लें आसा. सगळे स्कुलांनी स्टार्ट केल्लें आसा ऑन पेपर. On paper, it has been started, okay, from July.
न्यूमन स्टार्ट केला.
Human sector.
चालू आसा.
But what is happening is what you have to do. You have to go and ask. बाबा म्हाका सिलेबस खंय पावलो दाखय म्हाका. और तुम्ही खंयचे लेसन प्लॅन करता. ओके. तुमचो इवॅल्युएशन कशें जाल्लो, तुमचे रुब्रिक्स कशें जाल्ले दाखय म्हाका मातशें. Just ask this much. Then you have to now see, you tell some project director सांगतलो that new ICT hardware येतले. टीचर खंय जातले ते हार्डवेअर, लॅब खंयची आसा आमची, ओके, खंय येतली दाखय आमकां. हां, ती लॅबाक टेबल आसा न्ही, ओके, इंटरनेट आसा न्ही आमचें. इतलेंच विचार आनी कांयच करनाका. जस्ट आस्क. डोंट फाईट.
Yeah. Means I think some of the schools are not having these facilities. Maybe because of that you are. पण थोड्या स्कुलांनी आमच्या स्कुलांनी बीन आसा लॅब इज सेपरेट लॅब आसा आमचे.
करेक्ट सर. पण कितें आसा जाणा सर, आय एम टेलिंग यू द थिंग वेन वी वेंट. सी, आमी कितें केलें हाचे पयलीं वी वेंट टू ऑल द तालुकास, टू द ADIs, and we went each and every school head. So all over, okay. When was this, sir? Somewhere in October.
8th October to 21st October.
8 to 21st October in all the taluka around Mali. And now this is the first time we interacting with the parents. Okay, we want to know. The third thing which you require to do is please make your children to participate in these competitions. Competition newspaper जायनामा येतलो newspaper or तुमकां टिचरी ते भुरग्यांक ते फॉरवर्ड करतले. Please encourage your children and your neighbor children to participate in these competitions. Okay, that way what will happen is like भुरग्यांक एक मातशी उमेद येतली. Okay, टिचरांक मातशें दिसतलें like मातशें करया म्हणून. Okay, so that entire thing will be possible.
I can add. सो कशें आसा, देर कूड बी वन प्रॉब्लम. सो ऑल्दो वी हॅव इम्प्लिमेंटेड न्ही, तुमी पयल्या खुबशे स्कुलांनी इम्प्लिमेंट जाले, थोडे स्कूल इम्प्लिमेंट करना आसतले ड्यू टू सम प्रॉब्लम. इफ यू आस्क द क्वेश्चन मॅनेजमेंटाक कित्याक करूंक ना, यू वील गेट एन आन्सर. द आन्सर कूड बी जेन्युइन ऑर कूड बी सम, पण तुमी विचारले म्हणटकीर दे विल बी फोर्स टू एक्ट ऑन इट. रायट नाव दे मायट बी सेईंग आमचे कडेन हें ना तें ना. बाकीच्या कशें कशें केलें, ताज्या स्कुलान कशें केलें, तुजें आमच्या स्कुलान कित्याक करूं ना, इतको प्रश्न विचारा तुमी. विचारले म्हणटकीर देन दे वील बी फोर्स टू फायंड सम आन्सर. सेकंड तुमी म्हणटा न्ही हार्डवेअर आमी अजून दिवंक ना, दितले आमी. दितले जाल्यार तुमी तयारी केल्या काय घेवपाची. जेन्ना हार्डवेअर येतले 2 म्हयन्यांनी 3 म्हयन्यांनी, तुमी लॅब सेटअप केला, लायट आसा रुमान, तुमी आज प्रश्न विचारले एटलिस्ट 2 म्हयने तयार जातले. विचारीत ना जाल्यार आमी सामान हाडटले आनी मागीर ते सोदपाक लागतले. लायट आसा, इलेक्ट्रिशियन हाड रे बाबा, वायरींग कंप्लीट कर, हांगा जागोच ना, टेबल मोडकें, चेअर
All
मोडकें.
those things will happen.
Right.
See, I have seen many places where the good equipments have come, but it has been dumped in one place because civil works is not done. So many warranty cover, and by the time you come to like, "Are the machines are not mistake?" See, all these things are. That's why we are going out and encouraging that before this thing comes, the basic infrastructure. This is our table, light is a point, okay. एक internet असा, ते point जायनी, that तयारी करूंक जायनी. So that is what we are asking.
पण आता कशें जालें, तुमी आमकां आज सगळ्या पिटी 5-6 पिटी दाखोवपाक सांगलेले स्कुलांनी मे बी परत आनी येवंक ना. सगळी स्कुलांनी हार्डली 3 स्कुलां आसतली आज. पण तुमी मागीर फिडबॅक कसो घेता की आमी कितें काम तांकां वचून विचारला गेला काय तुम्ही आता प्रेझेंटेशन पळयले
सर
तुमकां कशें कळ्ळें
ईमेल आसा सर जस्ट कॉपी दिस पर्टिक्युलर फोटोग्राफ काढा
ओके
okay this is my email you just drop me a mail sir what we can do
No, actually there is one more suggestion. Telegram group. This slide. Yeah.
so what I will do right now sir आमच्याकडे पेपर एक असतो if you got we forgot to bring one paper you got paper sir blank paper
Blank
what I
paper.
would request you is just write your names which schools you're coming and तुमचा mobile number okay mobile number which is on WhatsApp okay what we plan to do if it is okay with you it is not we are forcing okay sir can you show that particular slide previous slide
एक slide partly.
एक नहीं one slide previous okay we want to have something like a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group for all parents okay तुम्ही WhatsAppचे कॉन्फिगर असलेली what we want to do is not anything जर आमचे किती suppose we want to have some competition we can directly send it to you we'll definitely send to the schools and all we'll also send it to you so you can then spread it out okay? So today what I would request you is much sir nothing for the sir name okay then school which school they are and their WhatsApp number WhatsApp mobile number much if I can circulate this another 2-3 minutes
आता या पेपर आता
असा पेपर असा आहे सर देवेन सर असा
Sir, एक paper द्या मला. एक paper.
Last week we had this boot camp.
Right.
So will you conduct such camps regularly? That was a plus point for me because I myself was involved. and
You are a
I was
teacher, madam?
following
You are a teacher?
compulsion. No. Parent.
you're a parent okay.
But
So you are
both my
following in the
sons-
sense like in what way
on the YouTube we had. So I have my elder son in 8 and younger one in 6. So I just connected to my TV. We three sat together.
you also said
Yeah.
wonderful
Because I am from a BCA graduate.
oh
So I was more curious than them, like what coding is when it is introduced now.
wonderful. So what was your feedback
Yeah.
That was honest feedback.
Your feedback.
That was, I will say double plus, because what was taught in the school was just an introduction. Fine with the teacher because we had late started on August, I think in August. After their training, after our
August,
teachers'
correct,
training
August.
date. So pictographs was like a
New concept.
yeah, we were all lost. It was like a picture. We were still creating castles in the sand, something like that. But introduction was superb when teachers introduced us. They asked us to encourage us child to develop on their own. But what functions were taught in this boot camp, that was superb. Sir. I myself will tell you because cloning, then how to create a blog, recursions. Then one thing that sir taught was that green tree, how to
Fractals.
yeah. So many things. I think like you can let them build themselves.
No, now this is our idea. Okay, see what is happening. Why this bootcamp idea came? Okay, is basically bootcamp was just one initiative to see the whole idea is not every teacher. I'm not blaming the teacher. Whatever you do,
Yeah.
not every child is getting the best resources.
Yes.
We don't want to bypass the system. It is not good to bypass the system. The system is there for a purpose and we have to appreciate the system. But can we supplement the system is an idea. Supplement. Can we handhold our teachers? See, every teacher will have some strengths, some weaknesses. We have got some positive and negative aspects. Okay, it's not that way. So can we encourage our teachers by giving some good resources? That's why our whole intention is that only. That when we are creating these videos, which are there on the handbooks, these videos, what is the purpose? We don't show you how to code. We don't want to show you how to code. Not that copy net copy cut paste that is not about you have not learned anything, you have only learned copying. Okay. But amka also करून amka जाय. This is the output. आम्ही सतत म्हणटानी मॅथ्सात एक प्रॉब्लेम असता आणि आउटपुट असता. पण कशी भाशेन तो आउटपुटाक पावला is very important. You may take different kind of steps to come it. Some will take 5 steps, some will take a different formula in 2 steps you may finish it. All these things are very important. And this is our objective of doing it. Now the bootcamp's objective is basically what had to be taught till now for the child. Can we cover it by making it exciting by having this particular competition and how to participate in the competition? Okay, this skill set had to be studied. By studying this particular skill set, okay, what will happen is like now, can the child perform? Can the child do? Now, two things have happened in that. We have also shown videos of other children, what they have done. Every day, we have a team actually, which to get videos from the teachers, what this child is doing this. And we used to make them promotional videos, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 20 seconds, 30 second videos. What to do when the child is sitting in Kankam or Darmandara, खंय बसून, खंयच्या वाठारात बसून, तो पळयतलो, अरे कितें भरतीक जाता, can I also not do it? ताणें केल्यार म्हणजे कितें करूं नये? This is a challenge we want to throw in front of our children. And thank you teacher, thank you madam, for giving us a positive feedback. We will do this. So as you requested, we will do it. But not as a regular kind of a
No,
thing.
no, not
But we will do it at the competition comes.
Yes, when and anywhere like you tell any competition to be held, a week prior, just to give a glance how to work out.
Yes.
Because so many functions come up,
And-
it will be not possible for the teacher to go in that depth.
आम्ही आणि कितें केलं जाणा टीचर मॅडम इज आम्ही न्ही एक चॅनल केल्लो आसा वी हॅव क्रिएटेड वन चॅनल यूट्यूब चॅनल ओके विच यू कॅन व्यू दीस पर्टिक्युलर एंटायर थिंग एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम तुका खरी गजाल म्हणल्यार न्ही इन द इवनिंग आफ्टर द सेशन वॉज देट 44,000 व्ह्यूज एवरी डे आमकां मेळटाले 44,000 व्ह्यूज म्हणजे इतली भुरगीं पळयताले ते 44,000
And if you have seen the chats, there are students saying like I'm from Madgaon, where are you from? They were conversing.